periwinkles, stinkles.
Hey guys, look at this coloured shell. It's silver and it's pinky beige on the back. I really like this shell because it's a pinky beige colour and its patterns, and I really like the silver.
Yeah, might get some squid here. That's a squid jig, that one. You guys gonna help me look for periwinkles or what? That's alright, just stay close to the rocks and walk around. Ooh. There's one periwinkle. I found a bunch of periwinkles. Oh, we've hit the periwinkle jackpot. With all the babies.
The periwinkle is a species of small edible sea snail, a marine gastropod mollusk that has gills. This is a robust intertidal species with a dark and sometimes banded shell. It is native to the rocky shores of the northeastern and northwestern Atlantic Ocean.
Right.
I drank water after watching this video, smelling periwinkles. It was disgusting, by the way.
There's a little feed of periwinkles.
Dad, look at all these little periwinkles on the rock.
Yeah, they're little baby mussels, them ones. Got a little feed of periwinkles here. Unfortunately, we didn't get here at the right tide. The tide's coming in. We need the tide going out so we can get further out along the rocks. So I think that's all we've got for now. I wonder if you can get in here for periwinkles. Ooh. Into the cave! Into the cave for periwinkles!
And we'll go home for tea, and I won't eat the periwinkles. I would rather prefer fish. So I'm just pointing the camera at Dad.
Oh, periwinkles!
I don't know if you can see much. I don't want to come much closer. Dad, there's lots of periwinkles on the rocks.
They're little baby ones. So I've never eaten periwinkles before. They're kind of like a...
Hey guys,
they are like a sea snail.
Guys, I've got something to show you. It's extraordinary.
So...
Dad!
tight.
Guys, look at this. Sand that stays in a shape. It's not just regular sand.
Oh, that's extraordinary.
Look at it. You can hold it.
You want to hold one of these periwinkles? So they're just like a snail. See? You hold it by the shell. They're scared, so they hide.
Ah! A mermaid money! A mermaid money!
Yeah. What do you call that? The little heart of Tafiti's.
Mermaid money!
That's mermaid money. That's the little foot. Little hard foot on the bottom of the periwinkle. You see them washed up on the beach all the time. They're the foot of the periwinkle. Lila calls them mermaid money because they have like a swirl, like that little pendant on the heart of Tafiti off from Moana. So I haven't eaten periwinkles before, but I'm going to try these suckers. I've got a nice little taste size bag of periwinkles there. I'll soak them in some water, try and flush them out a bit, and I'll put them on the boil them up with some chilli and lime, see how they taste.
You got to let it go. 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 I'm ready to let 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 go. You got to let it go.
No.
Boil the periwinkle to loosen the snail from the shell. Pick the snail out of the shell after it's boiled. Cut the hard foot off the bottom of the snail. Then the snail is ready to fry up.
Periwinkles are well and truly cooked. They're starting to make noise.
Ew.
So overall, our periwinkle experience was a thumb down. Did you what's that? A sideways thumbs?
Yeah.
That's
enjoyed aspects of it, but not all of it.
Oh no, you're supposed to do a thumbs up.